Alright guys, so for our previous project we found the volume of the Hershey Kiss by calculating the equation as volume is equal to pi times integral from 0 to 4 times 0.2836x to the power of 1.409 quantity squared dx plus pi times integral from 4 to 12 of negative 2 over 27x squared plus 4 over 27x minus 74 over 27 quantity squared dx.
The graph here shows all of our data points as well as the two model functions that we used to depict the Hershey Kiss. For our regression equation, we found that the quartic regression gave us the best value because its r-squared values was the highest at 0.999. Our points were 0, 0, 2, 1, 4, 2, 7, 4, 10, 5, and 12, 4. Here is our quartic regression equation line graphed on from data points 0 to 12.
For the water displacement portion of the experiment, we measured the displacement of water due to the addition of a Hershey Kiss into the graduated cylinder. This gave us a volume displacement of approximately 4 milliliters cubed.
Using these three different methods, we were able to deduce three different volume values. For the quartic regression method, we got 3,580 millimeters cubed. With the water displacement method, we got 4,000 millimeters cubed. And with the original equation, we got 3,401.44 millimeters cubed. Since all three of the equations that we got gave different values for the volume, we were wondering at this point which method would be the most reliable. In the end, we believe that the water displacement value method was probably our best shot at getting the most accurate value for our Hershey Kiss volume. This is due to the fact that our points that we used for the regression equation as well as our original equation were probably a little bit off because as humans, we're not really perfect at tracing the Hershey Kiss, so we believe that the water displacement method, which didn't use our points, was probably the most correct. A way we thought we could expand this experiment was by making the scale bigger. We thought, what if we got a jar, put a lot of different Hershey Kisses inside, and what if we try to guess how many Hershey Kisses were in the jar? We see this contest a lot, and we believe that perhaps if we could find the volume of the jar, and using the volume of the Hershey Kiss that we already found, we could deduce how many Hershey Kisses are actually within the jar.